Good afternoon, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle, in today's newspaper of Wednesday, December the 18th, 2024. And we have three puzzles, regular puzzles in this newspaper: the 3 stars Sudoku, 4 stars Sudoku, and the binary. Yes, only 3 puzzles, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional. So only these 3 puzzles. And what's the news of today? Well, it's today war day number 1029. 1029 days ago the war started in Ukraine, and everything has been changed in the world. Alright, binary puzzle number 9770. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by 10 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column, there are always 5 ones and 5 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O's, here one, there one. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So rest are O's. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, double O's, here 1, there 1. Between the ones comes an O, double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1, double ones, here no, there no. Between two O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. Between two O's comes in 1, double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Between two O's comes in 1. And I know between an O and a 1 with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but I do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one, and fifth one. So that box should be no. Let me think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. We have here 5 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 O's. So the rest are ones. Double ones, here no, there no. One, 2, 3, 4 O's. If I place number 5 there, then we will have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be no. This should be a 1. One, two, three, 4 ones. If I place number 5 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be 1. This should be no. Double O's, here 1, there 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. So the rest are O's. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. If we place number 5 there, Then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules. So this can be one, this should be an O. Double O's, here one, there one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Time for comparing, I believe. O10, do we have O10 here? We have O10, 101. No, not the same. Come on. 101. No. How about the columns then? Double one, no. No, not the same. 101 here. It's not the same one. Yeah. I'm thinking. 100. Where is the opening? Can't find the opening. Here, 101. Yeah. This is the opening. This row and that row. Let me compare. 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. 0 1 1 0 1 1 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O here. This should be a 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So rest are O's. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Double ones here, no, there, no. 1 2 3 4 5 O's. So rest are ones. Double ones here, no, there, no. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. 1 2 3 4 5 1. So rest are O's. Double O's here, 1, there, 1. Double check. 1 2 3 4. Correct in 7 minutes. We solve it again. And I like this one here, so we do the thing. So thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow on Thursday. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.